Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get your iPhone to read your text messages out loud. This feature is perfect for when you're driving and want to hear your messages without taking your eyes off the road, or if you just want to listen to a conversation without reading it. The first thing we want to do is head over to our iPhone settings and then scroll down until we see the accessibility option under the General tab. Once you're there, tap on Spoken Content and you'll see two options, Speak Selection and Speak Screen. If you tap on Speak Selection, you can select any text on your screen and your iPhone will read it out loud for you. Now, let's go to the messages and test it out. Just tap and hold on the text message and then tap the Speak button to hear your iPhone read the message out loud. If you want your iPhone to read the entire article or web page, you can use the Speak Screen option. Simply swipe down with two fingers from the top of the screen and your iPhone will start reading everything on the screen out loud. You can even pause, change the speed and more. This feature is not only useful for text messages but also for websites and articles, especially when you're on the go. So give it a try and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks for your iPhone. Thanks for watching.